Okay, so last year I bought this little tool. This is called an R1 Rabbit. Now here's the thing, I've been trying to find use cases for it because, you know, it's an AI in a box and your phone can do the same thing. However, they've recently updated the OS to Rabbit 2 and it has a cool feature in it. Let me show you. Okay, so now this has several cards that you can go into. So they changed the OS, and this intern has been very interesting because with the intern you can actually create an app.
Hi there, how can I assist you today?
So let me just show you the app that I created using this intern. So the intern, when you use it, it'll ask you a bunch of questions, and then it goes and it creates the app in what's called the rabbit hole, which is the website. Okay, this is a rabbit hole, and I've created a few applications here, but I'm going to show you the market research one that I created. So it asked me a bunch of questions, and it generated a website for me that I then downloaded. So I'm going to open up the file that I downloaded. I'm going to open the HTML. You'll notice that the file contains several other files in the folder. It was written in Python. So let's double click on index here. This opens up the website, which is basically a questionnaire, and it's a functioning questionnaire that will spit out a PDF analysis at the end. And this is the report that you get that will summarize the inputs and then give you a strategic recommendation. I'm very impressed with this. I found a use case. I'm going to keep playing with it and see what else I can create.